Hello and welcome back to the Mass Academy Law Club YouTube channel. This is the components of a criminal offense video, part 2. Make sure to check out the previous videos in the series in the top right hand corner. A person acts purposely when he or she has a conscious desire to cause harm. A person acts knowingly when he or she is aware that harm is likely to occur but does not intend the specific consequences. A person acts recklessly when he or she consciously disregards the welfare of others. A person acts negligently when he or she unconsciously creates a risk to others around he or she. In strict liability offenses, there is no requirement that there be a connection between the criminal mind and criminal intent. For example, a speeding driver, regardless of what they were thinking, would be strictly liable. The reason would be that because people would still get hurt if the driver crashed. Another example is a man selling alcohol to minors. There are some offenses that require proof that the defendant's actions cause a given result. For example, in a homicide case, the prosecutors must prove the defendant's actions killed the victim. The prosecution must establish causation beyond a reasonable doubt whenever it is an element of a crime. A key to causation is the establishment of proximate cause. The law has a right to protect citizens from harm from people who have not committed a crime but plan to. The law defines the preparatory activities of solicitation, attempt, and conspiracy as criminal. The crime of attempt is very simple and applies if someone tries to commit a crime but fails. Conspiracy is when two or more people combine to commit a crime. Vicarious liability means that companies can be held liable for crimes committed by employees. For example, if an employee of Facebook steals 10,000 people's personal information, Facebook and the employee can both be prosecuted separately in court. Employees must stress to their employees to stay within their legal boundaries and not to commit any crimes. One defense strategy is to establish reasonable doubt through the use of the government's witness, since the government must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense attorney may challenge the witness's credibility by asking leading questions, for example. When the evidence is insufficient to convict the accused, a motion for dismissal will be filed by the defendants. The defendant may also produce a good character defense. This is basically a defense that tries to introduce evidence proving the defendant is nonviolent and could have possibly have committed the crime. The defendant also has affirmative defenses which do not negate the charges but focus on the circumstances surrounding those charges. By watching this video, you are supporting the Mass Academy Law Club. The Mass Academy Law Club is a student-run organization that aims to give everyone a fair shot at learning the law. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the bell button for notifications on future videos. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought and any other videos you would like to see us make. Share this video with anyone who needs help on the topic.